हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस एजुकेशन वीडियो में मैं आपको डीवी क्लास 7 इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस के यूनिट 9 फ्यूचर टाइम रेफरेंस का सॉल्यूशन देने वाली हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, इससे पहले प्रीवियस चैप्टर पे सॉल्यूशन वीडियो अपलोड है। यदि आपने वीडियो नहीं देखा तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन पे आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा और ऊपर आई बटन पर मैं वीडियो दे दूंगी, तो वीडियोज़ को जरूर देख लीजिएगा। तो चलिए देखते हैं वर्कशीट 1। देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, वर्कशीट 1 में कुछ नहीं, आप लोगों को खाली रीड करना है। मैं आप लोगों को वर्कशीट 2 से सॉल्यूशन दूंगी। तो चलिए वर्कशीट 2 देखते हैं। वर्कशीट 2, रीड द प्रेडिक्शंस गिवन इन वर्कशीट 1 अगेन एंड राइट विच फॉर्म मेंशन्ड इन द टेबल हैज बीन यूज्ड टू talk about the feature in various zodiac predictions. One example has been done for you. Aries, future with going to. Taurus, future with will. Gemini, future with present continuous. Cancer, future with simple present. Leo, future with will. Virgo, future with going to. Libra, future with present continuous. Scorpio, future with present continuous. Sagittarius, future with will. Capricorn, future with will. Aquarius, future with simple present. Pisces, future with will. Read the following predictions about future. A glimpse of the future. Overhead metro trains will replace ground level trains. Cities will be developed under sea. 5-star hotels will be built on clouds. Mars will become a tourist spot. Now work with your partner and write at least 10 predictions about the future world. Use will in these predictions. Remember, will is often used to predict things about future. It is used to express events in which your personal wishes don't matter. Cars will run by water. India and Pakistan will be friends. Road will be developed on sky. Cities will be developed on moon. Mars will become a tourist place. A tunnel will be laid under the ocean. 5-star hotels will be developed on sea. We will use solar energy to run vehicles. We will be traveling up to America within an hour. Students will be taught with computers in place of teacher. Worksheet 4. Nikita has planned her schedule for the month of June in a calendar. Read her schedule and rewrite it in complete sentences using will in the space provided on the next page. One example has been given to help you. देख लीजिए स्टूडेंट्स, कैलेंडर है यहाँ पर। हम लोगों को नेक्स्ट पेज में लिखना है। Nikita will visit her grandmother's house on the 1st of June. Nikita will spend time with her friends on 2nd June. Nikita will go for an outing on 3rd of June. Nikita will return to her parents' home on 4th of June. Nikita will complete maths homework on 5th of June. Nikita will watch a magic show on 9th of June. Nikita will learn her English lessons on 11th of June. Nikita will meet her friends on 12th of June. Nikita will finish her SST homework on 13th of June. Nikita will watch a movie on 17th of June. Nikita will attend a music concert on 19th of June. Nikita will watch a cartoon movie on 21st of June. Nikita will paint my room on 22nd June. Nikita will go for shopping on 25th of June. Nikita will learn making tea on 27th of June. देख लीजिए स्टूडेंट्स, Imagine yourself to be a salesman who wants to sell a robot to a customer. Tell the buyer how your robot will help him. Write the sentences on the next page in the space provided. You may take hints from the blurbs given below. One is done for you. This robot will change your life completely. It will cook food for you. It will wash your dishes. It will clean your house. It will buy groceries for you from the market. It will be a companion to you. It will repair electronic devices. It will guard your house at night. Imagine how an alien living on Mars would look like. Using your imagination, draw the creature in the box given on the right and write the description of the creature in the space provided below. One sentence has been given to guide you. The alien will have 3 eyes that will be fixed under his nose. He will have no mouth. He will have 2 holes in place of ears. He will have antennae on his head and no hair. It will receive message through this antennae. Worksheet 5. Look at the given pictures and write what is going to happen. There are clouds in the sky. It is going to rain. The fruit is ripe. It is going to fall down. The plane is flying. It is going to land. The man is shaking the tree. The apples are going to fall down. The cards are trembling. It is going to fall down. The bench is broken. The man is going to fall down. The game has started. The players are kicking the ball. The athlete is running. He is going to finish the race. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं वर्कशीट 6. Worksheet 7. Mr. Kumar, president of MN Company, is coming to visit his regional office tomorrow. Mr. Sharma, manager of his company, is telling his staff about some arrangements made for welcoming him. Complete the following paragraph by filling the blanks with the correct forms of the verbs given in the boxes below. The president arrives here at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Our representative welcomes him and takes him to the conference room. We serve him coffee and snacks. He addresses the staff at 11 a.m. The staff representative honors him with a token of respect immediately after his speech. He checks the accounts files at 12:30 p.m. and leaves for lunch at 1:30 p.m. He attends the board meeting as soon as the lunch is over. He leaves for the airport at 4 p.m. Remember, simple present is often used to talk about future events happening according to schedule fixed earlier. Next देखते हैं वर्कशीट 8. Remember, future perfect talks about an action that will have been completed by a definite time in the future. Always use will plus have plus past particle of the verb for future perfect. Example, will have increased, will have established. Next देखते हैं वर्कशीट 9. Given below is a timeline chart. Taking hints from the examples given in worksheet 8 and using your own imagination, complete the chart by filling what new developments will have taken place in the given fields by the given time. Timeline chart. Year 2500 AD. Machines will have prescribed medicine. Technology, man will have constructed houses on Mars. Fashion, belts will have gone out of fashion. Food will have prepared in refrigerators. 2700 AD. Brain transplant will have become possible. Scientists will have designed folding computers. Fashion, metallic clothes will have come into fashion. Food, paradise will have become youngsters' favorite food. 3000 AD. Scientists will have designed capsule for not getting ill. Technology, fuel developed aeroplanes will have replaced cars. Fashion, aeroplanes will have replaced cars. Food infections will have developed. 3500 AD. Medicine, treatment of cancer in last stage will have become possible. Technology, flying buses will have developed. Fashion, clips will have take place of buttons. Food capsules will have come in place of fast food etc. Next देखते हैं वर्कशीट 10. Worksheet 10. Mr. Kumar will be visiting his company office at 10 a.m. on Tuesday. Given below is a picture of his office taken at 2 p.m. on Monday. Observe the picture carefully and write what changes will have been made before the arrival of Mr. Kumar. One example is given to help you. Sweeper clean floor. The sweeper will have cleaned the floor. Painter paint wall. The painter will have painted the wall. Receptionist clean table. The receptionist will have cleaned the table. Accountant clear accounts files. The accountant will have completed calculations. Artist make banner. The artist will have made a banner. Manager prepare welcome speech. The manager will have prepared a welcome speech. Mr. Malik bring flowers. Mr. Malik will have brought flowers. Next देखते हैं Mr. Gupta arrange tables. Mr. Gupta will have arranged tables. Mr. Sharma decorate conference hall. Mr. Sharma will have decorated conference hall. Mr. Verma invite all guests. Mr. Verma will have invited all guests. Worksheet 11. Ruchi friends will visit her at 5 o'clock in the evening. She has made a list of the things to be done before their visit. Read the list and write what she will have done by the time her friends arrive. Clean my room, complete homework, bring snacks from market, cook food, wash my clothes, iron my dress, polish my shoes, make my bag. Ruchi will have cleaned her room. Ruchi will have completed her homework. Ruchi will have bought snacks from the market. Ruchi will have cooked food. Ruchi will have washed her clothes. Ruchi will have ironed her school dress. Ruchi will have polished her shoes. Ruchi will have made her bag. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं डू इट योर सेल्फ. कंप्लीट द डायलॉग गिवन बिलो. सुमन, सो प्रिया, व्हेन आर यू गोइंग टू जयपुर? प्रिया, आई विल बी गोइंग टू जयपुर दिस ट्यूसडे विथ माई पेरेंट्स. वी आर गोइंग फॉर 5 days and will be returning on Sunday. Suman, will you stay in a hotel at your aunt's place? Priya, we are going to stay at hotel near Hawa Mahal. Suman, it is going to be warm in Jaipur. Priya, no, the weather will not be warm at this time of the year. Suman, do not forget to buy some good Jaipur puppets. Priya, oh sure, will buy one for myself and I will bring a pair for you. The passage given below has not been edited. There are 5 errors in it. Underline the errors and write the correct words in the space provided. Scientists in UK have invented a pen that was automatically anticipate the. was की जगह will हो जाएगा. Words that you are going to write. Gone की जगह going हो जाएगा. The pen is not only guess the words but each की जगह will हो जाएगा. Were also indicate spelling errors. The were की जगह will हो जाएगा. Product is expected to hit the market very soon and are be available at a price of lira 50. Are की जगह will be. Given below are responses of various people about what they will have achieved before 2025. Complete those responses by using the future perfect tense. Aarti, before 2025 I will have finished my schooling. Nidhi, before 2025 I will have done my MBA. Swati, before 2025 I will have got married. Aman, before 2025 I will have got a doctor's degree. Vivek, before 2025 I will have become the managing director of my company. Anuradha, before 2025 I will have opened a fashion store. Ashu, before 2025 I will have bought a new house. Rohit, before 2025 I will have completed in advanced computer course. तो स्टूडेंट्स इसी के साथ हम लोगों का सॉल्यूशन वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया. यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पे प्रेस कर लीजिए क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए ऐसा एजुकेशन वीडियोस लाती रहती हूँ. स्टूडेंट्स यदि आप किसी और चैप्टर का एक्सप्लेनेशन या सॉल्यूशन वीडियो चाहते हैं तो नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर दीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.